exploring 10 revolutionary superbikes that transformed motorcycle technology through innovation, speed, and engineering excellence.
Ducati Panigale V4R introduced MotoGP-inspired engineering with revolutionary aerodynamics and extreme performance.
Its aerodynamic winglets increased stability, allowing riders to carry greater confidence through high-speed corners. Its V4 engine, racing electronics, and lightweight components brought superbike technology closer to MotoGP. BMW's M1000RR pushed aerodynamic engineering and electronic performance to extraordinary production bike levels. Its carbon winglets generated valuable downforce, improving stability during extreme braking and high-speed cornering. Its sophisticated electronics transformed enormous engine power into controllable performance for both track and road. Yamaha's R1M brought sophisticated MotoGP-inspired electronics and cross-plane engine technology to road superbikes. Its precise electronics allowed riders to exploit its exceptional performance while maintaining confidence on demanding roads. The R1M demonstrated how racing-derived electronics could redefine modern superbike control and precision. Kawasaki transformed World SBK racing knowledge into advanced aerodynamics, electronics, and engine performance. Its aerodynamic package improved front-end stability, while sophisticated electronics managed relentless superbike power. The ZX-10RR proved that championship technology could become practical performance for demanding road riders. Honda engineered the Fireblade around MotoGP-inspired technology, extreme aerodynamics, and uncompromising high-revving performance. Its aerodynamic winglets increased high-speed stability, while its powerful inline-4 delivered breathtaking acceleration. Every major component emphasized lightweight engineering, precise handling, and technology derived from Honda's racing heritage. Aprilia's RSV4 became famous for combining compact V4 engineering with sophisticated chassis and electronic control. Its advanced electronics helped riders manage powerful V4 performance across changing road conditions. The RSV4 demonstrated how intelligent chassis design could make enormous V4 performance remarkably controllable. KTM's RC8C demonstrated how extreme lightweight construction could redefine track-focused motorcycle performance. Its lightweight construction delivered extraordinary agility, proving that less mass could transform motorcycle performance. Carbon bodywork, racing suspension, and focused engineering created an exceptionally lightweight performance machine. Hayabusa transformed high-speed motorcycle design through obsessive aerodynamics, electronic control, and legendary engineering. Its refined aerodynamics and electronics made extreme speed more stable, predictable, and accessible. Its sophisticated rider aids showed how electronics could tame immense performance without sacrificing everyday usability. The Streetfighter V4 SP2 transferred superbike technology into a brutally powerful naked motorcycle. Its V4 engine delivered superbike-level acceleration, while the naked chassis provided an intensely direct riding experience. Carbon components, premium brakes, and advanced electronics pushed naked bike engineering towards superbike territory.
The R9 represents Yamaha's new generation of lightweight performance, balancing technology, agility, and accessibility.
Its lightweight chassis and modern electronics deliver engaging performance without requiring extreme superbike dimensions. The R9 shows how modern motorcycle technology can deliver serious performance in a lighter, more approachable package. From racing innovation to everyday performance, these motorcycles continue pushing the boundaries of technology forward.